All right, welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car, and I have to apologize. I shot 7 cars one night at a car show using my new mic, tested it in the car, and I must have hit something. It didn't record. So unfortunately, I don't have the audio on this recording, and 6 others actually. Luckily, I gave all the owners my card, and hopefully they contact me and I can shoot them again, and I apologize. This is an amazing car. So this is a 1970 Ford Torino, and check that shit out. A 429 Cobra Jet engine. So there was 6 of these made. This is one of 6, and the price on the car was $27.78. The Cobra Jet engine was a $356 option. Total price on this car was $46.45, so it's highly optioned. Really 50% of the price was in options. And at the end of the video, I have the Monroney sticker and the Marty report. I got a picture of that, thank goodness. So unfortunately, the audio isn't here, but I've got video, and then I'm hoping I can shoot this again someday. And I apologize. I feel terrible. I've been sitting on these videos trying to figure out what the heck I'm gonna do because I screwed up the audio. But anyway, beautiful car, just an amazing car. I thought it was from Australia at first because I know they have a lot of 4-doors, and as they say, 4 doors, more whores. And this is really a unique vehicle, a 429 Cobra Jet engine in a 4-door, pretty nondescript Torino. So enjoy the rest of the video. I am going to stop talking. But at the end of the video, I have the Marty report, and it has all the information as far as the options, what the price was of the options, and rather cool. So the gentleman that owns this car bought it from a guy, and the car was parked, I think he said, for like 25 years. It was sitting. Now, luckily, it was inside of a building. Look at that, power windows. Highly optioned car, and it was just sitting in a warehouse, and he was able to work a deal and buy it, and just a really unique vehicle. So again, my apologies. And look there, you can see air conditioning. It's really highly optioned. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again for watching, and stay to the end or jump to the end. You'll see this report right here. I get a photo of it that you can read. Thank you so much.